Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. This is Mayank today, your aptitude mentor. And in today's session, we will be discussing about what RBI Grade B 2023 target based question. For which section we are going to talk about Quant section, right? The most expected question. So mark your attendance by liking the session and share it with your colleagues, right? With your friends. And if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe. We pledge for your success. Okay, so these are the things which we are offering in this series. So let's start with our first question of quant section. So be active in the comment box because then only you will get the each and every concept. And here we are discussing the all possible type, right? For what? Your quant section. And we are targeting RBI Grade B 2023 as I said. So our first question of today is there are two fighter planes, fine, X and Y employed to bomb an area. The probability of their hitting the target is 1/3 and 1/4. Plane Y, right? They are talking about what? Plane Y hits if X fails its target. So, what is the probability that the target will be hit? And these are the options. This not means what? None of these. So tell me the answer fast. Be active in the comment box. Try to solve it. It is based on probability. So first thing is what? There are two fighter planes X and Y. So they are talking about two fighter planes X and Y. Fine. Employed to bomb an area. Okay, fine. So they will target that area. Fine. So probability of their hitting the target is 1/3 and 1/4 respectively. Okay, respectively means the probability of plane X to hit the target is 1/3 and probability of plane Y to hit the target is 1/4. Now, what are they asking? What is the probability that target will be hit? Means there must be what? Target will be hit. Sorry, target will be hit. It doesn't matter whether X hit that or Y. So, are you getting my point? And one more case is given plane Y only hits if X, right? X fails its target. What if X fails its target? So you have to keep this thing also in your mind. So first we will find out what that plane X, okay, probability of plane X to not hit that target, okay, for not hitting that target. So that will be what? 1 minus 1 by 3. So you will get what? 2 by 3. Okay. So for plane X, I am talking about that particular thing. So, okay. Satyanarayan Panda says no, none of these. Very good. Now, if I will talk about Y, so what is the probability of Y that right Y plane will not hit that target? So that probability will be 1 minus probability of hitting 1 by 4 means 3/4. Now, what we have to find out what is the probability that target will be hit. So target will be hit. So what is the probability? So probability of X to hit the target, that is 1/3, fine, plus probability of what? Y to hit the target. But in Y there is a case. Plane Y only hits when X fails. So X fails. Probability of X to fail the target is what? 2/3. So 2/3 multiply the probability of Y to what? To hit. That is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 you have to multiply. So now 1 by 3, right, plus 2 by 3 multiply 1 by 4. So what you will get? You will get 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. So answer will be none of these, right? Answer is not available in the options. 1 by 2 will be the correct answer. The probability, right, that the target will be hit in any case, whether by plane A or plain Y. It doesn't matter. So that will be 1 by 2 not available in the option. So we'll go with option E, none of these. Now let's move on to the next question. The cost prices of three items means cost prices. So it belongs to profit and loss. Cost prices of three items X, Y, Z are in ratio of 4 is to 6 is to 8 respectively. If these three items are sold such that the profits of 20% is registered on X and a profit of 25% is registered on Y and a loss of 10% is incurred on Z, then which of the following gives the overall percent of profit loss made in three transactions put together? So they are asking overall profit or loss, right? It seems like what difficult one. There are so many statements, right? Many data given. How we will solve this? Just need to analyze, right? You just need to analyze the data. That's it. You will get the answer within 20 to 30 seconds. You just need to understand what is given and just apply the calculation. Your calculation must be good for this. But are you getting my point? So I'm expecting the answers for you all from you all, and you are having 40 seconds more. Okay, I'm giving you 40-second extra. Tell me answer. I have already told you what is given. The cost price ratio is given, that is for what? X, Y, and Z. Items X, Y, and Z, that is 4 is to 6 is to 8. Fine. So anyone? Very good, Satyanarayan. Very good. What about others? Satya says 8.33%. Excellent. What about others? If these three items are sold, okay, so this is what 4, 6, and 8. So anything like amount is given to us? No. Everything is given in form of ratio, first thing. And what percentage? So we can assume that, okay, first value is what? 4, so 400. Now second one, 6, so 600. Third one is 8, so 800 you can assume here. Okay. If these three items are sold such that the profit of 20% is registered on X. So now we will talk about profit. Okay. So 4 at 400 means when he is selling right product item X, he is getting 20% profit. So 20% of 400 will be what? That will be 10% is 40. So 20% will be 80. Okay, fine, 80. Now that is what? Profit. But there is a loss also, and you are getting the loss on article or item Z. Okay. Now on 600, how much profit? 25%. So that will be on CP only 600. 25% of 600 means 1/4. That will be 150. Now 10% loss on the article Z. Okay, item Z. So 10% of 800 is 80, but minus 80. So sum up overall profit. 80 plus 150 minus 80. So 80 to 80 cancel. Overall 150 you are getting as a profit. And total was what? 400 plus 600 plus 1800. That is, sorry, 800. That is 1800. So with respect to 1800, 150 is what? Just cancel it by 0 to 0 and 15. Okay, 180 will be cancelled how many times? 12 times. So 1 upon 12 is what? 8.33%, which is available in option A. Right? So hope so you understood, and these kind of question, right, definitely will come. They will give you this type of data and you will see, you will think what? You will think like it is a difficult one. They will increase the data only. Concept will be same, right? You just have to work on your calculation. Okay, then you will not find any difficulty. Next question. Ramesh had currency notes of denomination rupees 50, rupees 20, and rupees 10, such that at least four notes of each denomination, okay, were present with him. He had to pay a bill of rupees 400 in a big market, and when he counted all the money he realized that he was short of rupees 70. How many notes did Ramesh have? So tell me the answer of this question. Ramesh had some currency notes of denomination rupees 50, rupees 20, rupees 10. Remember this. So what are the right note? They are having 50 rupees note, 20 rupees note, and 10 rupees note. Fine. Now there is what a compulsion, okay, and the compulsion is each, at least there will be what, four notes of each denomination, means at least four notes of 50, four notes of 20, and four notes of 10. Remember, okay. So anyone who can answer this? So what are they saying? He had to pay a bill of rupees 400. Okay, he was supposed to pay 400 rupees, but he was short. How much short? 70 rupees. Means he was having how much? 330. Okay, how much? 330. So first we will apply the case of at least. Then we will decide the answer here. So at least we have to keep rupees 50. How many notes of rupees 50? Four notes. So 50 into 4, 200 rupees you will get from here. Okay. Amount we are calculating from here. What he is having, 200. Now 20 into 4. At least we are considering at least case. So 80. No. 10 into 4. 40. So how much is the total? 320. When we are applying the at least, this we have to keep, right? This much note of each denomination must be there. Four notes of 50, four notes of 20, four notes of 10. Then we can increase. Okay. So how much money he was having? 330. But after applying at least case, we are getting 320. So we are short of how much? 10 rupees only. So we will increase only one note of 10 rupees. 4 plus 1 means 5. And we will keep what? 50 rupees. How many notes of 50 rupees? 4. How many notes of 20 rupees? 4. And plus 5. So 4, 4 and 5. What you will get? 30. Which is available in option A. So that will be the correct answer. Very good, Satya. Excellent. So, okay, tell me, I am changing the case here. Suppose if he was short of 60 rupees, he was 60 rupees short, then what will be the answer of this question? Tell me. I am just putting one more condition, right? What I said, he was short of rupees 70, but now I am telling you right, he short by what? 60 rupees. So tell me how many notes of right, each denomination he is having. Tell me fast, and do like the session if you're getting each and everything very well. Tell me fast. Satya, anyone who can answer? Okay, see, if 340 rupees, okay, sorry, 60 rupees short means 400 minus 60. So he will have 340 rupees. Then, at least case when we will apply, so we must have 320 rupees like this, four notes. When we will keep four notes of each denomination. Okay. So four notes of each denomination when we will keep, we will have 320 rupees, and we are short of what? He was having 340 as per the question, because short 60 rupees only, so 400 minus 60, so 340, so extra 20. So for 20 rupees we will have two options. Either we can keep 20 rupees one note, okay, one note of 20 rupees, or two notes of 10 rupees, both we can, right, we can have. So there will be two cases, right? What? Two cases. 13, either 13 or 14. When we will keep 20 rupees one note, then we will have how many, right, notes, such notes? So you will say 13. But when we will keep extra, how many, 10 rupees, two notes extra, then we will have 14 as the answer. So 13, either 13 or 14, or if not available in the option, then we will go with none of these. So I hope you understood the concept. Very good. Not 14 or 16. Are you getting, Satya? Not 14 or 16. We will have how much? We will have either 13 or 14. Clear? Now tell me the answer of this question. Mayanshi purchased 200 watches at the rate of rupees 500 per watch, and he incurred rupees 6,000 on transportation, and in transportation 5 watches got damaged also, which he get repaired at the cost of rupees 400 per watch. He marked the price as rupees 600 but announced a discount of 10%. Find his profit loss portion in entire transaction. Tell me the answer, Satya and everyone. Mayanshi purchased 200 watches at the rate of 500, okay, per watch. And there is what he incurred rupees 6,000 on transportation, and in transportation 5 watches got damaged also. So he which he get repaired at what cost rupees 400 per watch. He marked the price as what rupees 600 per watch. It is the price of per watch. Announced a discount of 10%. He marked 600 but announcing a discount of 10%. Now find his profit loss percent in entire transaction. Anyone who can answer? See, Mayanshi purchased how many watches? 200. And per watch rate is what? No profit, no loss. Excellent, Satya. 200 watches, okay, and 500. What? So we can say that this was the cost price, total cost price of 200 watches. So this will be 10,000. Clear? Sorry, 1 lakh. Clear? Now, he incurred a rupees 6,000 on transportation. So transportation cost also will come under, right, what? His cost price. It is the initial costing, we can say CP1, then transport. On transport, how much he invested? 6,000. Some of the watches what got damaged, so 5 watches, and per watch he invested how much? 400. So 400 into 5, that is also the costing, that is 2,000. So sum will be what? 1,08,000. This is what the overall costing, total costing. And now what are they saying? He marked the price as rupees 600. How many watches are there? So you will say there are 200 watches, and each price, right? Each watch marked price is 600. So total overall marked price will be what? 600 into 200. So 1,20,000. But there is a discount of 10% after that. So 1,20,000, 10% of that will be what? 1,20,000 upon 10 means 12,000. You just have to subtract. So you will get 1,08,000. So here you can see he purchased, right? Total costing is what? 1,08,000. And after selling all the watches, he is getting 1,08,000. So 1 lakh CP is equal to what? Getting SP overall. So overall there is no profit and loss because cost price is equal to selling price. Got it? Very good. Let's move on to the next. Now it is based on data sufficiency. In how many days will C alone completed the work? A and B together can complete the work in 16 days. B and C together can complete the work in 40 days. A and C together can complete the work in 25 days. So tell me which one is sufficient, and you can answer this question even if you know the concept, right? Basics of time and work, then you can answer it in 5 seconds, because you just have to check whether you can find out C will complete the total work in how many days, that you need to find out. So these three statements, as per these three statements, which option will be correct, whether the data is sufficient or not, as per the option you have to choose. So Satya says E, all 1, 2 and 3 are sufficient, okay, to answer, okay, together, okay, together sufficient to answer, fine. See, in how many days will C alone completed the work? So they are asking about C. So first we are having the A and B together can complete the work in 16 days. So A and B are completing the work in 16 days, so time of A and B. Then we are having, as per second statement, B and C, because first statement only we are having A and B together can complete the work in 16 days. The data is not enough. So first one alone not sufficient. No, second. B and C together can complete the work in 40 days. So B and C will complete the same task in 40 days. Fine. So we can put 40 here. But by this also we are not getting the answer. It may be possible that 1, 2 or 1 and 2, if we will even include first and second, then also we cannot get the answer because A plus B and B plus C given. So by this we will not get. But when we will see third, A and C together can complete the work in 25 days. So now we are having A and C are completing the work in 25 days. So we'll take the LCM of right these time 16, 40 and 25. So we'll get total work. So by this we can get what? Efficiency of A plus B, B plus C, A plus C. And by the help of that we can easily get the efficiency of A plus B plus C. I'm just telling you how to solve because there is no need to get the answer whether the data is sufficient or not. And if we are having A plus B plus C efficiency, then you can subtract A plus B plus C efficiency with what? A and B's efficiency, because you must know the efficiency of C. Total work you know, and when you will get the efficiency of C, you can easily calculate. So A, B and statement first, second and third together sufficient to answer, right? So option E will be the correct answer, mean last option. All first, second and third are sufficient. Clear? Okay, let's move on to the next. Shagun has 12 boxes of pens with him with an average of 18 pens per box. With each box has, right, if each box has at least 10 pens, at least 10 pens, there can be more than that, but at least you must keep 10 pens, and no two boxes have equal number of pens, then what can be the maximum possible number of pens in any box? Tell me. So they are asking maximum, right? There can be 12 box, there will be 12 box from 1 to 12. So any one box will have maximum number. So what, right? Maximum possible number one box can have. Maximum number of pens I am asking. So there are options 23, 25, 41 cannot be determined, also given none of these. So first of all, data is sufficient to answer because they are asking us the possibility. So in possibility, there will be more than one answer. There could be more than two answers because possibility is about what? The prediction. See here, Shagun has 12 boxes of pens with him. Okay, so maximum case we have to keep in our mind. So I am just telling you box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many boxes are there? Okay, 12, 10, 11 and 12. Remember this. Why I am marking? I'll tell you. So just start with first box. So suppose first box is having 10 pens minimum. Okay, and we know that no box will have the same number of pens, and we have to keep what, assume that 12th box is the box which will have most number of pens, which will have what, the most number of pens. Okay, so first we will solve till 11th box, because 12 boxes with an average of 18 pens per box. So total number of pens we know that is 12 into 18. On an average, each box is having what? 18 pens, right? There are 12 pen such box. So 12 into 18, you will get 216. So this is the total number of pens. Now we have to keep what? Maximum here. So what we can do, we are having one more thing is given, that no two boxes will have equal number of pens. So we will increase the pen only by 1. Okay, plus 1. So first box is having 10, second box will have 11, next box will have 12, then next box will have 13, then 14, then 15, sixth box, then seventh box 16. This is the minimum possible case for these all boxes, because we have to keep maximum pen in 12th box. Okay, now 8th box is having what? 17. Then ninth one is 18, and 10th one is 19, and 11th one is 20, right? So just take the sum. First one 10, 10 plus 11, 21, 21 plus 12, 33, 33 plus 3, yeah, 33 plus 3, 46, 46 plus 14, so you will get 60, 60 plus 15, 75, 75 plus 16, 91, 91 plus 17, 108, 108 plus 18, so it will be 126, 126 plus 19, 140, 126 plus 19, 145, right? And plus 20, so you will get 165. So this is the total, okay, total number of pen, minimum total number of pen in rest 11 boxes, because we have to, right, keep maximum pens in 12th box. We are keeping, right, that it is not a compulsion that 12th box you can say first box, second box, but other box will have then what, like this. So are you getting my point, Satya? So 165 pen in 11 boxes. Now total 12 boxes are having what? 216 pens. So 12th box will have what? 216 minus the sum of, right, the rest 11 boxes, 165. So 216 minus uh, 165. So you will get you will get 51. You will get 51. So sum was correct. I will take one again. 10. I'm just checking once. 13, 33, 46, 60, 75, 91, 108, and then 126, 145. Yes, it is correct. So 51 will be the correct answer. Is this available in any option? No, it will be 51, not 61. Okay. So it is not available in the option. So we can get this. So we cannot say cannot be determined. Our answer will be option E, none of these. Okay. Our answer will be option E, none of these. Are you getting my point now? Let's move on to the next question. And our next question is also, see, today I have uh, what kind of question for you all? Uh, the lengthier one. We can see, if we will check out the latest pattern of RBI Grade B, you can see such kind of questions, right? If you will check previous 2 to 3 year papers, if you will check even the latest 2022 paper, so you will see questions like this, and it is easy to solve. You just need to what, focus more what is given, okay? Because in exam we are having very less time, and when we see the question like this, we just leave that question. No, just analyze whether you can get the answer easily or not. You just have to go through the details, right? But for this, as I said, calculation, correct approach, from where you have to, right, start the question, that does matter. For that, your basics must be clear. Okay, so see what will be the answer. Tell me the answer of this particular question. ABC entered into a partnership with rupees 40,000, 70,000, 70,000 respectively. C, being dishonest, marked only 80% profit and kept the rest 20% after a year. When this was noticed, he was suspended and fined with 2 times his total profit, which was equally distributed between A and B. Find the ratio of total profit of A to B end of the year, at the end of the year, if actual profit was rupees 72,000. Anyone who got the answer, tell me fast. See, first of all, this question belongs to which chapter? Partnership. Okay. So ABC entered into a partnership 40,000. So ABC investment. First of all, we have to keep what? The investment data. Wait. So investment of A B, and C we have to look out. So that is 40,000, right? So I can write down 40K also. Possible, right? 40K. And that next one by B is 70K and by C also 70K. So anyone who got the answer? Okay, now focus on the screen. I'm explaining the concept. C being dishonest. So C is what? He is dishonest person in the partnership. Whenever you are doing a business, be careful about those people, right? Those kind of people. So C being dishonest marked only 80% profit. So he marked what? Only 80% of the total profit and kept the rest 20% after a year. So he, right, kept that 20%. But as we know that if you're doing right what the wrong thing now, then you have to pay back after some time. So he does, right? When this was noticed, he was suspended and fined with two times his total profit, which was equally distributed between A and B, and find the ratio of total profit of A and B at the end of a year if the actual profit was 72,000, right? So see, at the end of the year, so time is what? 1 year, 1 year, 1 year. So when time is same, right, for investment. So investment ratio becomes what? Profit ratio. So this will be what? K to K you can easily cancel, right? 0 to 0 will be cancelled. K means what? 30. It represents 1000. Okay. So now 4 is to 7. This is the profit ratio to 7. Okay. So what we can say? As per this, B and C must get the same profit, right? They must get the same profit. Now, after this, we will see the changes. Total is what? 4, 7, and 7. So, total profit is 18x. And what is given? Overall actual profit was 72,000. So, 18x equal to 72,000. So, x will be equal to 4,000. Now, we are having the value of x. But we cannot put and we cannot get the ratio from here because the condition is different. They have put up another condition, another case that there is a dishonest person. So 80%. So 18x was the 100% profit. This was 100% profit. So 20%, if we will talk about who? C. So C is taking what? 20% of the total means 3.6x he kept with him, okay, which is the 20% of the total. So rest amount is what? 14.4x. 14.4x, 18x minus 3.6x. So now from this 14.4x, he distributed it among what? These three, 4, 7, and 7. So total is 18. So how much he will get? 7 by 18 from the total, that is 14.4x. So 7 by how much? 18 multiply 14.4x. So by 18 you can cancel this 14.4, right? How many times it will be cancelled? zero point 0.8. So 7 into 0 0.8, 5.6 when you will get the sum. So 9.2x. Okay, the profit after dishonesty, C received what amount? 9.2x. Now we have the value of x also, that is 4,000. Remember, so 9.2x means we have to keep the value of x. So 9.2 multiply 4,000. So 9 multiply 4,000 means 36,000. Now 0.2 multiply 4,000 means 800. So 36,800. So this was the amount after dishonesty he got out of 72,000. Okay. Out of what? 72,000. So now the thing is what? They, right, this was noticed and he was suspended and fined with two times his total profit. So he was getting, his profit was what? His profit was 36,800. So two times of this was what? Fined amount. So this will be what? 73600. Okay, fine. But this amount was distributed among A and B in the same ratio. Okay, in the same ratio. So earlier A was getting what? If we will see as per the ratio, if we will go with actual thing, 100% profit, so 4 of the total, 4 parts from the out of 18 parts. Okay, we know the value of x, that is 4,000, so 4 into 4,000, so he will get what, how much, 16,000 plus extra 36,800. Why? Because this 36,800 multiplied 2 was fine, 2 times of the amount was fine, so that is 73600, but it distributed among A and B in what? In equal manner, in equal amount. So 36,800 extra, right, will be given to A and also B. But B is getting what? 7x. If you will see, 7x, 7 into 4,000. So 28,000, right, was the actual amount he should have got from the what? Actual profit. But after the real scenario, he is getting what? Extra 36,800 also. He is also getting the same amount extra. Now 16,000 plus 36,800, so it will be 52,800. We have to find out the ratio of the profit of A and B, right? 52,800 and the amount of profit of B. So that is 28,000 plus 36,800. So it will be 64,800. Now 0 to 0 will be cancelled here. Now you can cancel it by 8 easily. So when you will cancel, are you getting my point? When you will cancel it by 8, what you will get? 8 6 are 48, then 4, 8 6 are 48. Okay, so 66 here, 8 8s are 64, and 8 1s are 81. So 66 is to 81 you will get, and which is available in option E only, because none option is matching here, right? No option is matching. So I hope you got the concept how we got this ratio. So is there any doubt in anyone's mind? Then do let me know. Hope you got the concept of this question. Let's move on to the next. In a certain exam, 4 marks were awarded for each correct answer, minus 1 marks were for each incorrect answer. No marks was awarded for the questions left unattempted. If Rani got a net score of 224 in the exam, which of the following could be the number of questions he attempted? So could be means again possibility. Again possibility. Could be means there can be, right? No surety. There is no surety. It is just what? The possibility. So from these five options, all options are available with value, then one of these will be our answer. So how we will approach this? Tell me fast. Tell me fast. Satya and all, everyone. Anyone who can answer this? In a certain exam, 4 marks were awarded for each correct answer. So see, number of correct question he attempted, we are marking as what? Number of correct questions. Okay, that is C. We are just marking as C. Now, number of incorrect questions, incorrect. So that is equal to wrong questions. We can say W. Okay. Now he is getting what? 224. So as we know that on each, right, this much C number of question he attempted correct, and on each question he is getting 4 marks. So 4C plus what? We can say plus uh, minus 1 multiplied W is equal to 224. Number of wrong question he attempted, and on each question he is getting minus 1 mark. So 4C minus W equal to 224. So okay, so we can get C equal to what? C equal to 224 plus W upon 4. So this we are getting here. We are not getting the answer. What are they asking? Which of the following could be the number of question he attempted? So total number of question, the actual thing which we have to calculate here, total number of question, right? he attempted. So that will be what? Sum of the correct question plus wrong question. So that will be our answer. Now we know C is equal to 224 plus W upon 4. Okay or not? Oh, sorry. Yes. So 224, yes, 224 plus W upon 4 plus W, because we have replaced the C with this value, right? This we got from the what? Equation at the start. Now you just have to what? Okay, divide 224 by 4, so we'll get what? How much? 56 plus W upon 4 plus W. This is what we are getting. So 56 plus 5W upon. So this is the final data which we are getting. Here we don't know the wrong number of question he attempted. Is this given? No, not given. Now, but one thing we know that the wrong number of questions are divisible with 4. So it will be in multiple of 4 or not? The value of W. Tell me. It will be in multiple of 4? Yes. So that can be 0. That can be 4, that can be 8, that can be 12, like that we can go right till the infinite. So if we put 0 here, then we will get what? The least number of question he could have attempted will be 56. But what are they saying? Which of the following could be the number of? So they are not asking any condition. If they have asked you what the least number of question, right, he attempted, so that could be what? 56. You just have to put the least value of W, that will be 0. Fine. Now if I will tell you what the next possible answer could be, what? 56 is available in the option? No. 55 available, so that cannot be our answer, because our answer will be more than 56 or 56 number of question, at least 56. So right, we can say that more than 56 also possibility. So 54, D and E eliminated. Now next thing, if 56 is not the answer, then we will put W equal to 4. So 56 plus 5 multiply 4 upon 4 means 4 to 4 cancel 5. 56 plus 5, 61. So 61 available in the option? Yes, it is in option A. So that will be our correct answer. So is this clear to all of you? Right? Because next case, if we will include the next case, so we have to put, right, W equal to 8. So 8 upon 4 means 2, 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 56, 66. So 61, 66, 56. These are the what? First three possibilities. And we can see from first three possibilities, one is available, option A. So that will be our correct answer. Now the question, right, which question we gonna do? Based on number series. So there are two cases they have given us, right? Two condition, means two type of question they have asked us. Now first one is find the missing term, as always. So find this. Now tell me the which number will come in place of x. Tell me fast, everyone. Which number will come at the place of x? Which value must come? 2, 9, 28, 65, 126. Which number will come at the place of x? Missing number we have to find out. And next thing is what? 30% of x minus 20% of y is square. If y is an even number, and one thing given, y is greater than 1 and less than 4. Okay? Now tell me the answer. So here, see, 2, 9, 28, 65, 126 and x. So 2 is what? 1 is square plus 1, or 1 cube plus 1 we can put or not? Yes. 9 is the perfect square of 3, but it is also 2 cube plus 1. Now 28 is just more than 1. What? The cube of 3. 3 cube plus 1, 4 cube plus 1, 5 cube plus 1. So next will be 6 cube plus 1. That is 217. Clear? 217. So our answer of first question based on this series will be option A. Clear? Now Second thing is what? 30% of x. Now they have given us what? 30% of x minus 20% of y square. The value of x we are having now, that is 217 as per the series. But what is the value of y? They have given us if y is an even number and the value of y is what? Greater than 1 and less than 4. So there are two possible values then, 2 and 3. Because it is an even number, so 2 will be the value of y or not. Fine. Y is an even number, so 2 will be the value. Now we can put 2 here. 2 square means 4. So 30% of x means 217. 30% of 217. So 10% is 21.7. Now just multiply 3 in it. So 21 multiply 3, 63.7 multiply 3, 2.1, 65.1. So 65.1 minus 20% of y square. The value of y is 2. 2 square means 4. And 20% of 4 will be what? 1% will be 0.4. If 4 is the square, right? Y square is equal to 4. And its 10% is 0.4. Then 20% will be 0.8. Just subtract it from here. So 65.1 minus 0.8, so you'll get 64.3, which is available in option B. So that will be the correct answer. So is this clear? How we got this kind of question? You will see, right? They will put what? The more condition. They will just increase the data. They will make the question lengthier. That's it. So you have to be very what? Calculative. Your calculation must be good. Next question. The next question is 11, 13 pair, right? It is based on pair. 11, 13, then xy, then 23, 29, then 31, 37, then 41, 43. Find the missing term in first, right? First question they are asking. Now second one is what? Which of the following statement is definitely correct? Now they are just asking us the verification of the statement. Tell me the answer fast. Be active in the comment box and do not forget to mark your attendance by liking the session if you are getting each and everything very well. And if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe it. So which of the following statement is definitely correct? So see, first of all, 11, 13, first pair, then xy, fine. 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43. So see, between these number, if we will check the differences, minus 2, then xy, okay, 23, 29, minus 6. Here we are not getting the pattern. But if you will see all the number carefully, 11, 13, 23, 29, right? 11, 13, then x, y, then 23, 29. So see, these all numbers are the prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers who are having only two factors, not more than two or not less than two, exactly two factors. 1 and that number itself. So 11 and 13, x and y, 23, 29, then 31, 37, then 41, 43, like this I have written. So see, 11, after 11, which prime number will come? 13. Then after 13, which prime number must come? 17. Then after 17, which prime number must come? 19. Then after 19, 23. After 23, 29. After 29, 31. Then 37. Then 41. Then 43. Means what is given? Consecutive prime number base. It is based on consecutive prime number. So the value of x and y will be what? The next two prime numbers just after 13. Those number will be 17 and 19, which is available in option C. Got it? Now see, the second one. Which of the following statement is definitely correct? First statement is x square is greater than y square. X square is greater than y square, so it doesn't matter. First of all, check the value of x. X is already less than y. X is already less than y. Then square of x. How is it possible that the square of x will be more than the square of y? Until unless it is in decimal. So this will be incorrect. Now second, x is a prime number and y is a composite number. As we can see, x and y both are what? Prime numbers. So B also incorrect. Statement B also incorrect. Now see, sum of x and y is an even number. Both numbers are what? Odd number, and sum of odd number always be what? An even number. So this one is correct. Option C will be the correct answer. So is this clear? Only. So in second, okay, second condition, second question based on this series, which is given, right? Here we have to verify what the statement. So there will be option what? There will be some options, option A, B, C. So statement, only statement A is correct or only statement B is correct, like that they will give. Okay, so our correct answer will be what? Only option C is correct. That you will choose from the option. Now, be fast. Solve this question. Find the missing term in the question. Fast, fast. 87, 56, 30, and they are asking the next term. Find the missing term. Only three numbers are given in this series. Fourth one they are asking from you. So which one will be the answer from the given four options? So see, 87, 56, 30. If we will see the difference even, so first one is minus 31. Next one is minus 26. From here we are not getting any particular pattern. Now what can be the pattern then? Is this near to any square cube? No. 56, 30, no, that also we are not getting here. Now what to do then? So if we will go for illogical pattern, right? What illogical pattern? We'll go for digit concept. Okay, we'll check the first number digit. 8 and 7. Can we get 56? Yes, just by multiply. 8 multiply 7, 50. Now, by 56, just multiply the digits of number 56, both the digits, 5 and 6. 5 into 6, 30. Now, next number will be what? 3 multiply 0 means 0, which is available in option D. So, that will be the correct answer. And I hope you understood it very well. So, in today's session, we have discussed many important questions for your upcoming RBI Grade B, and hope so you understood each and everything very well. So, here, okay, here is a great news for you all that you can save 35% on RBI Grade B and SEBI Grade A plans, right? Dedicated mentorship plans, foundation classes, video lessons, study notes, everything, current affair, topic test, mock test, right? Mentorship, why the what mentors? They will guide you personally, revision sessions, mock interviews, everything will be there, right? So SEBI Grade A 2023 plan is there where you will get these things. Now RBI Grade B 2023 plan, right, where you will get what? Mentorship, complete mentorship by what? Dedicated mentor. Okay, and RBI Grade B 2023 descriptive uh, learning pack, right? So that also you can have from here. So are you getting everything? So for applying this offer, availing this offer, you must use the code SUPER, SUPER, right? So it is ending today only. So hurry up, go and avail the offer. Now, as I told you about the RBI Grade B 2023 plan, right, which is going to start at what? Mentorship batch is going to start from 15th of December. There were very limited seats, 100 seats were available. So go and check whether it is still available. There are some seats or not. There are some seats are available or not. If available, then hurry up, do subscribe, right? Now, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and share it with others. And also download our app from Play Store. You will get the description link. Sorry, you will get the description. So you will get the link in the description, right? Download link in the description. So I hope everything was fine and clear. And do not forget to like this session and share with others, right? With your colleagues. So I hope it was enough for you all, right? And you understood each and everything very well. So we'll see you in next session. Till then, keep learning and keep shining with Oliveboard. Thank you so much. Good night.